Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White is winning this. But you must find the only winning move to win this. In a matter of material, black has 5, 8 and 11 points where white has 12 points. But this rook is pinned by the bishop and can't move currently. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. So you can unpin the rook like this, but that doesn't help you. Black will just capture the rook. This makes black to end up with a bishop and a rook. Even though you have 2 extra pawns to be promoted, they cannot be promoted because black will have the advantage, right? Black will just defend both of them and you can't win, right? So that is the problem, and capturing is not, moving the king is not the option because black will just capture your rook. So the other thing you may probably play is pushing this pawn. This is even worse because black would just simply capture the pawn. Since the rook is pinned, can't capture it back, and you will end up in even bad position. For that reason, these two moves don't work, and it looks like you don't have that much candidate moves. I'm going to the correct move. The correct move is actually to play rook to f3, sacrificing the rook. So now black has 2 options in this position. The first is to capture the rook. The second is to block this way. So blocking is the best move for black, but what would happen if let me show you what would happen if black just captures this. Well, now we can just give a check. Black would just move this way to f7. We move our rook to g7, and now we can push. And now if you had a chance to see that we are threatening checkmate on f7. So how can black defend that? Black has no way to defend against this checkmate. What can black do in this position? So here we have this checkmate, we have this checkmate. Black can't stop both of them, right? If black try to move the rook, we just deliver checkmate on g8, and this is another checkmate. So in order for black to stop the checkmate, black must play bishop takes d5 and prevent the rook from going to f7 or g8. But we play rook to f7 anyway, and this is just checkmate. There is no piece to capture the pawn, and it's defended. The king cannot escape anywhere. So for that reason, this is going to be winning for us. So that is what we are going to do if black decided to capture, and this is going to be just mate in 5 or 6. So I said this is not the better move. The better move is actually to block the check. So in this position, if we just capture this way, it doesn't work because black would just capture this, and as I told you previously, this is going to be just a draw because of black would have a bishop, but you would have 2 pawns, but black is in a good position and black would have an extra bishop, right? For this reason, this is going to be a draw if you capture it with a pawn. What you are going to do is capture it with a rook instead. So in this position, the king is forced to move to e7, and now you give this check, and you are going to just capture the rook. And here, after black captures you can move the king like this, and black may just capture one of your pawn, or black may capture your rook. It doesn't matter, right? You have 2 pawns, you move fade away and promote one of the pawn. So this is the solution of the puzzle. For a recap purpose, first you are going to play rook to f3 check. So here black can capture this, but if black captures that, you are going to play rook to g8 and rook to g7. Now this makes black to move to f7. The idea is here in this position we can play to g7, but now it doesn't come with check, meaning black would have a chance to play a move, right? So that will make the position not ideal as we want. That is why we here after black captures we give a check, and give a check. This puts black in check, and it would be our turn to move the pawn forward. So this is checkmate. Black has to defend that checkmate, and we are going to deliver checkmate this way with only a pawn against 3 pieces. If black didn't capture that and block the check instead, which is the better move, we are going to capture it with a rook, and after black moves we are going to just move the rook like this, and we can capture this as well. It's winnable, it's up to your choice, but I think capturing the rook is a lot easier, and that's going to be more easy for you to win the game. So this is the whole solution of the puzzle. If you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.